name is Carrie Hiner. I'm with Realty Austin, and welcome to my South Austin kitchen. Today I'm going to make cookie cake. Cookie cake is vegan, it's gluten-free, and it's delicious. I came across this recipe when I had a client, a relocation client, over for dinner. I don't even remember what I made that day, but she brought cookie cake. We have devoured it in our household ever since. And what's unique about cookie cake is, like I said, it's gluten-free and vegan. It's also got a really unique ingredient in it, garbanzo beans. Sometimes it's fun to make this for people and then tell them what the secret ingredient is, and they'll never guess that it's made with beans. So I'm gonna start here by preheating my toaster oven to 350 degrees. And I did say toaster oven. You could of course use your convection oven. And the good thing about this recipe is that it is fairly easy. So what we've got here is we've got a cup of oatmeal, a cup and a quarter of brown sugar. We've got salt, baking soda, and baking powder. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Could use any oil of your choice. And we need to reserve a quarter cup of liquid from the garbanzo beans. Now the rest here I'm gonna drain off in the sink real quick. Now I'm gonna throw the garbanzo beans in. And then I'm gonna use an immersion blender. Special note, be careful. I did cut myself one time on these because I don't know, I was taking this apart and the power was on, and yeah, pushed the power button with my left hand. I forgot the vanilla. Last step, chocolate chips. Nuts are also very delicious, almonds or walnuts, but with Corona and limited trips to the grocery store, I don't have any walnuts today, so this is just gonna be plain chocolate chip. And now I'm just gonna lightly mix this together. Smooth this out so it's nice and even. And we're ready to put in the oven. 350 degrees, 35 minutes. It's done! Yay! It smells so good. Alrighty, now we're gonna take it out and let it rest on the counter for 5 minutes before we dig in. All right, guys, I promise you, this is the best ever brownie cake cookie thing you've ever had. And the best part is, again, vegan, gluten-free, and made with garbanzo beans. Let's dig in. I wanna keep it pretty looking. You know, it's cookie cake. This is a bar, brownie, brookie, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm ready to try it. I'm kind of more of an edge person. Look at that, it's perfect. That's it.